Good morning, traders. This is Nishal Patel giving the Phoenix Blue Morning Update on the 21st of August 2017. Hope you're all very well after a great weekend. One notable movement this morning, as many of you should already know, we don't have any key news on the foreign exchange market right now that will effectively move the market in any definitive direction. But one key move that we've been seeing playing out this morning is on the Japanese yen. We see Japanese yen still floating below the 1.109 level, but right now having opened up well above that 38.2 Fibonacci level that we see highlighted on this daily time frame, it has looked very, very bearish, and that and the demands for the uptake in the yen really has been the primary cause of any kind of movement that we've seen on the foreign exchange market this morning. So the yen really moving. If we just move on to our other pairs, you should be able to see how it translates across the majors and minors. As we can see on this daily time frame on the euro, we've seen slight bearish momentum, but much of it has stayed quite flat. Right now floating at 1.1746. Moving on to the Australian dollar, very similar, still above 7,900, right now floating at 0.7920. And if we move over to cable still in this area of consolidation, below 1.2900 and above 1.2850. So right now currently sitting just above that confluence of the 100 and 200 moving average at 1.2872. Moving on forward to the Canadian dollar, right now sitting at 1.2599, so just below 1.26, having had some bullish gains from the early part of the Asian session and into the European session as well. So haven't seen a great amount of movement across the board in the majors and minors. The only notable change coming from the yen, and we would have seen any of the crosses associated with the yen having seen that movement. Now, some key news, obviously, with that drive on the USD towards the tail end of this week, towards the tail end of last week. Sorry, just staying corrected there. We've obviously saw the commodities rise, and we saw the uptake of WTI and the price literally lifting off, as we can see on this daily time frame. Friday, very, very notable move all the way back up to just above 48.50. Right now, just below that right now, 48.47, and being propped up by that 200-day moving average, as we can see on our chart placed out. If we just move up and have a look at the price of gold spot, as we saw on Friday, we saw a strong push, obviously moving on from what we saw off the negative correlation with the USD and that of the commodity. We saw a push straight up to $1,300, just above $1,300 per troy ounce on gold spot, and then coming back and resting in closing up at 1284, and right now just sitting above 1288.50 cents per troy ounce. So notable movement on a few different instruments there. Really looking to see how this plays out first thing on the Monday morning. And as many of you are aware, Mondays can be quite treacherous when you're trading. So if you are uncertain, feel free to pop us a message, and we'll be happy to give you some clarification on what you should be looking at, how you should be trading, and how we can most certainly help you. For those people that are a little uncertain and they're not sure what to do with their trades, if you don't want to give us a call, then I would say definitely be very cautious. Wait for the movement to materialize, wait for definitive direction on your side, and then look for any viable entries. Okay, guys, until tomorrow morning, happy trading. Bye-bye.